back here on Barry's 75 Fleetwood. Don't mind the Granville, it's running because this is the same day that I did the fan clutch on it, so I'm letting it do its thing. Anyway, this is a Fleetwood video. Moving on. Alternator. Barry was driving a week or so ago. Had, I guess you could call it misbehavior by Mr. Alternator here. His generator light kept flashing on him and all that. So I checked everything and it was bouncing all over the place with the multimeter. Down to like 12.1, up to like 16.5, and then down to like 10, and then up to 14, and yada yada yada. So ordered up an alternator. So we're gonna swap this baby out. Doesn't take too long. Standard issue GM 1 wire. Gotta get. Oh, there we go. Oh, well that's cute. Just a little rusty crust in there. We'll just clean that up. And I gotta undo a little prophylactic here. I'll get that off for a second. Flathead. Just pop that. Get our battery cable and all that jazz off. And then it's as simple as a couple of bolts. And away we go. Alright, got the little prophylactic plastic off of our wire that goes to our battery cable. Come on, focus. 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 Hey, there it is. So I gotta pop that nut off. So always disconnect your battery because this is a live 12 volt wire. It's a live wire. Is also a Motley Crue song. Cause I'm alive! Live wire! I'm alive! I'm live wire! I don't know. I suck. Anyway, that was all singing everybody's getting. So pop that off. Pop that bolt. Pop this bolt. And then there is a bolt down yonder. Right there. And I see it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Get it out. Easy peasy. Let's go take her to the bench and put her next to the replacement. So this could go up to our friends up at Ace Alternator in Yucca. I mean, except for the trip. That's a journey and a half. But that could go up there at some point here in the future and get rebuilt. So we're not going to send this back as a core. Nope. Because it's got the original markings and all the goodies. So I ordered, honest to God, AC Delco GM rebuilt. Figured to be a little bit better. At least it has GM part number. I mean, I quit buying a lot of things from the local joints, mainly because they stupid. They sell crap. But there she is. Let me undo this foam and we'll get a good look at it. There she is. It's a reman. But it was remanned for AC Delco and for General Motors. It may or may not be better quality than getting one from the Zone, but at least it's got real GM goodness. And then some of these you buy that are new, and they are China everything, and well, you know, don't have proper markings and such. So pretty damn similar. It's good to go. All right. Alternator's all in. We're gonna fire this baby up. See how she does. No more flickery. Problem solved.